Hi all, in this video I will go through how you get your IFC model into Unreal Engine. So let's get started. Open your Epic Game Launcher and start Unreal Engine. I will be using 5.1 version. You can use any of the starting templates provided by Epic Games. I will be using the games template, but any of these templates is working fine. So games and third person, I will be using this template, and I will be not using starter content, and I will rename my project as my IFC project and create. After the project has loaded, I want to get rid of this stuff here, so I create new level, file new level, and I will be using basic level, basic and create. This is good starting point. I have a good lighting conditions here. To keep all things organized, I will save my level file, save current level as, and I will create new folder here, and this will be folder name my levels. I will go there and save current level as IFC level and save. To be able to import IFC models, I need one plugin. So I will go to Edit Plugins and try to find IFC plugins. Like you see, I should not use this one. I should be using Datasmith CAD importer, this one. So I activate it, and I also want to use Datasmith importer. From here I will also activate this one. So Datasmith CAD and Datasmith CAD importer are the plugins what we need for getting IFC into Unreal Engine. I restart now. After the project has restarted, I go to my levels and open my IFC. After that, get content, Datasmith and file import, and I will select my IFC file and open it. And I want to put it here to my levels. Press OK, and I will be using default import options. After that, model is loaded to your level. The model hierarchies can be seen in the outliner, so you can hide different buildings and sections depending on your IFC model structure. In my next video, we will add game mode to this level so we can navigate in our level. I will go through how to add third person and first person game modes to your level. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to see my future videos. See you, bye.